Good morning, class 11. In the subject mathematics today, we were doing our chapter relations and functions in continuation. And before that, I explained you Cartesian product of two sets, which is used in the relation of two sets. That is definition of relation from one set to another set. So let us say relation from set A to set B is denoted by capital R, and R is called a relation from set A to set B if R is a subset of A cross B. That is the necessary condition for a relation between two sets, that is, it must be always a subset of A cross B. A cross B has been already explained to you. Then R is called a subset of A cross B, or sometimes it can be even equal to A cross B if for every AB belonging to R, then A belongs to A is related to the element B belongs to B. So according to definition of R, you will find the ordered pairs AB which are always present in A cross B. It is also written as ARB, and relation is represented by R such that A to B. Now relation, when it is defined on one set only, that is set A, so R is called a relation from A to A if R is a subset of A cross A. When only one set is given and you have to define relation in the same set, then you have to find A cross A and then you have to make R as a subset of A cross A according to definition of R. Now example 1 I have taken, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, then which of the following relation is from A to B? So I have defined here three relations R1, R2, R3, three sets. You have to tell me which one is the relation. So R1, I have written elements of R1 as 1, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, 5. R2 is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4. R3 is 1, 6, 1, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4. So here I have written three relations from A to B, but it is not necessary that all of them are relation from A to B. So answer I have written here. First find A cross B. So you will find A cross B as 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 4. So and 3, 5. Here R2 is only relation from A to B. As you see, R2 is a subset of A cross B, but not R1 and R3, because R1 has 1, 3. But A cross B doesn't have 1, 3, therefore R1 is not a subset of A cross B. And similarly in R3, you can see 1, 6 is not there present in A cross B, therefore it is not a subset of A cross B. Hence R1 and R3 are not relation from A to B. Question number 2, given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to elements 4, 5, 6, 7 of the set. Write a relation R from A to set B such that R is defined as collection of all those ordered pairs A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B, and A plus B must be equal to 7. So when you have to find a relation from set A to B set, you will be given the definition of R. So here R is collecting all those ordered pairs A, B such that their sum must be 7. So you are given here A as 1, 2, 3, 4 and B as 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to discover those elements from A and B whose sum is 7, as definition of R is accordingly. So here A plus B is 7, where A is belonging to A and B is belonging to B, and you clearly see from A 1 plus 6, 6 is from B, it is 7, 2 from A and 5 from B, it also makes 7, their sum, and 3 plus 4 is 7. And rest elements, if you take from A cross B, their sum will not be 7. So hence R is defined here from A to B as 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. These ordered pairs satisfy the definition of R. So this way you can do questions how to find the value of relation from one set to another set. As you see, R satisfies both the things. The definition as R is A plus B equal to 7, and R must be a proper subset of A cross B. So make a note of all this work and show it to me.